Earth is not the wet planet everyone assumes it is. More liquid oceans hide in our solar system alone than sit on Earth's surface. Miles of ice bury every one of them in total darkness, and one has no star to warm it at all. This is every known ocean beyond Earth, climbing from strange to almost impossible, ending with the one that shouldn't be able to exist. Start with Europa, a moon of Jupiter smaller than our own, hiding more liquid water than every ocean on Earth combined. Crack that ice open and it never really closes. Europa's shell keeps shifting. Jupiter's gravity squeezes Europa on every orbit, flexing its interior like a stress ball. Squeeze something hard enough, long enough, and it stops freezing. That's Europa's whole trick. Friction alone is doing the heating here. No sunlight required. Telescopes have caught Europa exhaling, water vapor venting straight into space. An ocean with more water than Earth, hidden under ice, snuck past us for decades because nobody thought to look under a frozen shell. NASA built a spacecraft with one job: fly past those cracks and look. Where Europa's ocean meets rock, it might carry the exact recipe life needs. Enceladus is barely as wide as Britain is long, small enough to fit within it, and it is spraying its ocean directly out into space. Cassini flew straight through those icy geysers and tasted the ocean without ever landing. Inside that spray, salt, organic molecules, heat signatures matching hydrothermal vents. That chemistry, researchers think, is the same recipe that kicked off life on Earth. Instead of hiding its ocean, Enceladus mailed us a sample. All of that from a moon, so small it would barely reach across a country. Tiny moon, enormous implications. And Enceladus isn't even the weirdest ocean in this solar system. Titan has oceans on its surface too, except they aren't water, they're liquid methane and ethane. Rain falls from an orange sky, fills rivers, and pools into lakes the size of small seas. No other world we've found runs a rain cycle like Earth's, except this one. Just built from natural gas instead of water, at temperatures cold enough to freeze that gas solid if it warmed even slightly. But that's only the surface. Titan may also hide a second ocean of water, buried deep beneath the hydrocarbons under a thick shell of ice. Two oceans stacked on one moon, one of gas up top, one of water down below. Nowhere else in the solar system does that. Titan's water ocean still isn't the deepest one we know about. Ganymede outsizes Mercury, an actual planet, and it's only a moon. Deeper than every ocean on Earth stacked together. That's how deep Ganymede's ocean might run. No other moon bothers generating its own magnetic field. Ganymede does. A field like that only comes from a churning, salty ocean underneath. That ocean might stack like a layer cake. Ice, water, stranger ice, water again. Somehow that's still not the strangest moon on this list. Every one of these moons needed a bigger planet nearby to squeeze them into staying liquid. Then what happens when a world has no big neighbor to lean on? You'd think the far edge of the solar system is too cold for any of this. Pluto disagrees. This small icy world, far past Neptune, may be hiding a liquid ocean under its heart-shaped plain. That plain has a name, Sputnik Planitia, and a buried sea underneath it. Nothing reaches it. No sunlight, no giant planet to squeeze it. Just heat trapped since Pluto formed, sealed in by an insulating shell of ice. That insulation might be the whole trick. Keep the heat in, and the ocean below never gets the chance to freeze. If a small, cold, distant dwarf planet can pull that off, what else out there are we underestimating? Turns out a lot, because oceans like these aren't just a solar system thing. Zoom out past our solar system entirely, because some exoplanets might be nothing but ocean. They're Hycean Worlds, one global ocean wearing a thick hydrogen atmosphere like a coat. There are no continents anywhere, no land at all, just one ocean wrapping the whole planet. Warm enough, deep enough, rich enough in chemistry, that ocean could count as habitable. Astronomers are sniffing their atmosphere for the exact gases life leaves behind. We've gone from one hidden sea to an entire category of planets that might just be seas. Somewhere out there, an entire planet might be nothing but ocean, no land to build a beach on at all. Hycean Worlds still need one thing to stay warm, a star. Take that star away, And by every rule so far, the ocean should die. Here's the pattern hiding underneath everything we just covered. Each of those ocean worlds needed either sunlight or a bigger planet next door squeezing it into staying liquid. Cut off both of those, and physics says the water should freeze solid and never move again. Except somewhere out there, it probably doesn't. Picture a planet with no star at all, ejected from its system long ago, drifting alone through permanent interstellar night. No sunrise, no sunlight has touched its surface in possibly billions of years. Astronomers think an ocean still moves under all that ice. Zero help from a star, zero help from a nearby planet, so where's the heat coming from? The heat comes from inside, slow radioactive decay buried deep in its core. The same kind of decay keeps Earth's core molten right now, underneath your feet. On a starless planet, though, that trickle of decay heat isn't a bonus. It's the only heat there is. Sealed under enough ice, that faint warmth never gets the chance to escape. This ocean has run on leftover radioactivity since before its star even vanished. So how does an ocean survive with no star at all? It doesn't need one, it just needs enough heat left over from its own birth, sealed under ice thick enough to never let it out. Such an ocean could stay liquid longer than the sun has existed, and possibly longer than the sun has left to burn. That kind of sea never sees light, never sees a sky, and might outlast the star we're standing under right now. Which means the number of oceans in this galaxy might have nothing to do with how many stars it has. Stars might be the minority here. Oceans, warmed by nothing but rock remembering how it formed, could outnumber them. Our planet needed a star, a magnetic field, and a long streak of luck just to keep its ocean on the surface. Most oceans in this galaxy don't bother with any of that. They just wait in the dark, powered by heat that has nowhere else to go. Maybe Earth was never the wet planet, just the one ocean that happened to end up in the light. Something else might be hiding out there too, if an ocean can survive total darkness with no star at all. We haven't even scratched the moons we haven't visited yet. Subscribe. Next episode, we're ranking every place in this galaxy life could actually be hiding right now.